This is my old system Sony. It's a big, it's a powerful, but it has no USB, no Bluetooth, no TF card. Today I will change that. I will give this old stereo a new life. Watch carefully. In few minutes, this old machine will play music from a flash drive, a memory card TF, and even Bluetooth. Okay, my friend, let's test and play music. Before testing with the flash memory, USB and Bluetooth, if you need this device, check the description link, buy this device and subscribe drtecpro channel. Let's play music with the USB flash memory. I put this flash memory here, and as you can see, play music with USB here. Okay, my friend, you can play music with the memory TF card in here. As you can see, this is input TF memory, and you can play music with the AUX here, AUX, and you can change mood with this key. Or Bluetooth. You can play music wireless with the Bluetooth connect and control with this remote control. And don't forget, see this playlist in Dr. Tecpro channel. Is very helpful video in this playlist.